duct taping siblings.
Hi, is email slowing you down? Does it take forever to log on to AOL, Earthlink, or Gmail? Well, I've got the solution to you. Mail. It's just like email, but it's real. It's very simple. You just write out a letter, put it in this high-tech envelope, place it in the mailbox, make sure you write the address of the person you're sending it to, and just in a matter of days, they'll get it. It's a lot simpler to use. Check this out. If you've got email, it takes a long time for it to get to the other person. You know, it can take anywhere from 2 to 5 seconds at most. But with mail, you can get it almost anywhere instantly. Instantly may not apply to anyone with not in the same house as you. And we have a mailman come to every door, take the mail, and deliver it somewhere else. Unfortunately, we only have one of those right now, but still. There's some legal dispute over another type of mail, but we're not worrying about it. And it only costs $19.99 a month. Believe that, unlimited messaging rates.